Alright, it's your first time getting into music production, and you just have no clue where to start. It's no secret that music production can be a daunting and sometimes downright confusing task, but it doesn't have to be. BandLab is the perfect tool for those who are just starting out in music production. With its easy to use interface and features to go along with it, you can do a lot despite it being free and accessible. I would even make the debate that it's better than GarageBand on the Mac. BandLab has plenty of built-in instruments that you can use to create original loops and sounds. However, there is a large amount of loops at the ready as well. And while loops may seem like cheating, they are not. Don't be afraid to make songs with pre-made loops. They are a useful tool to get started as a beginner. BandLab also provides a platform for collaboration, allowing you to connect with other musicians and share your work seamless. The tutorials that BandLab provides are very step-by-step, ensuring you utilize the most out of the software's capabilities. Not only do they offer music templates to go off of, they also have randomly generated song starters to get you going. Now that I have gotten a chance to explain what BandLab is, let me give you a live demonstration on its capabilities. So over here, we're going to create a new project. We're not going to use Song Starter. We're just going to do it from scratch and use loops. And the reason why I'm not creating melodies or any of that type of stuff is because let's just say I'm a beginner, just like most of you should be if you're watching this video. And I don't really know how to create my own melodies, my chords, my harmonizations, or any of that. I don't really understand that, so I'm just using loops. I just want to show you what product you can get out of using those loops. As you can see, we now have the software loaded up right here in the corner. This little chat button here is for when you do collaborations. So I'm just going to go to loops. There's plenty of stuff here. See, while what I have here isn't much, I'll play it. You see, that right there is a good way to start a song for your first time. I didn't have to put any work into making the melody or the beat or the chords for that specific project that I did, that little demonstration I just did. So that's why I personally don't think, like, I could see why people say it's sort of like a cheat. But if I'm being perfectly honest, as a beginner, it helps you understand and learn the format, how to format songs and just how to make sounds cohesively sound good, if that makes sense. And now it's your turn. I encourage you to explore BandLab yourself, experiment with its features, and share your music creations in the comment section below. Let's make some music together and see where our creativity takes us. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.